Hello everyone, my name is Kierra Harris. Just to introduce myself a little bit, I'm a full-time graduate student trying to obtain my master's in educational psychology with the emphasis in gifted and creative education. I currently teach at Whitehead Road Elementary in Athens, Georgia. This year I taught pre-K, and next year I'll be moving on to third grade, so I'm very excited about that. Just to answer some of the questions that were given to us, I've never had to address equity or diversity in my professional setting. My principal does a very, very good job at trying to make sure that everyone is included in all things that we do in the school. But my school in general is already diverse. So we have a mixture of pretty much everyone. And it's really awesome. I really love it. But my least favorite thing about addressing diversity and equity, since I've never had to do it, I think my least favorite thing about it is just that people have to address it at all. Like, we all know that we're all different and we all have a different background, different setting. So it's just like, why do we have to address this at all? We should already it should be a given, you know? But that's just my thing. I'm sure after taking this class, I'll probably have something to actually say that I don't like, but as of right now, that's just all I had to say. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to work with everyone this semester. Bye.